Hello, welcome to Accounting 124. Do you, do you know how to do a simple tax return? What is taxable and non-taxable income? Do you know the US tax system? Module 1 will give you all the answers to these three questions. Let me introduce you for Module 1. What are included in Module 1? You need to watch videotape for tax filing status and the videotape for taxable and non-taxable income. What would you do if you miss W-2? If you do not have W-2, you need to watch the videotape. It is very important to file tax return even though you cannot pay your taxes. And if you want to file a simple tax return, you need to create an account in TaxSlayer. I have the videotape to show you how to create an account in TaxSlayer. You need this link to log in into the TaxSlayer to create an account. And I also have a demo to show you how to prepare a tax return for Hernandez. Hernandez tax return consists of two parts. One is the basic information and the other is the income. And you also can do self-introduction for the bonus point of 10 points. Lastly, you need to do assignment 1 to prepare a tax return with W-2 wages and interest income, and discussion for tax structure in the USA. Thank you for watching.